Here are some ways of charging your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start with wireless charging. So grab your phone and simply put it on the wireless charger. Make sure that your charger is connected to an electricity, right? And at least has 15-watt power. The full charge of wireless charging will take something approximately like 1 hour and 58 minutes. Also, you can use a reversed charging, wireless power share. You have to have your USB-C to USB-C cable and second Android phone, which supports this feature. And then when you connect them, you may start your charging. Also, there is like a classical variant through the power bank, so you simply have to connect power bank to Galaxy S25 Ultra using USB-C cable. Use a reliable high-power bank for stable charging. And let's talk about classical variant through our power adapter. So grab any USB-C cable. It's better if you grab your USB-C cable which you have in your box, because it's an official one and they always work better. For fast charging, use your 25 watt, 40 or 45 watt or higher adapter. So simply enable it here, put it in the charging port, and our charging shall start as it just did. Also, open up your settings, open up your battery. In here, press your charging settings and make sure to enable your fast wireless charging and fast charging. For the full charge time, well, it depends on the cable and adapter, of course, but it takes around 1 hour. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.